And the bull market went way above, all the red dots brought the Bitcoin price way above 10,000. That was a 10x. So 10x, 3x would be very interesting to see that happening next year. And that range, 3x from here would be 300,000 and 10x would be 1 million, which coincidentally is the range of the stock to flow. So it's very consistent. Very interesting times ahead.
BitcoinZella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to BitcoinZella today and enjoy the new edge. In this video, PlanB will dive into his bold Bitcoin predictions for December 2024. He's not a registered broker, analyst, or advisor, but his insights spark curiosity. Let's catch him to learn more.
So, Bitcoin price. Right now, this dotted line, colored dotted line, shows the highest price ever, an all-time high of $99.8 thousand. That's only $200 short of the 100K. And in fact, if we round the 99.8, we'll get that 100K number. And also the monthly close was a little bit lower at 96.4K, still an all-time high. And last all-time high was in March this year at 71. So that one was a bit special because normally, if we look historically, if we have a new all-time high here, that's after the halving. And the halving is where this dotted line jumps. The same here. New all-time high after the dotted line, after the halving. Here too. New all-time high after the halving. Here it was before the halving. So that was strange. It was, I guess, the FOMO around the ETFs. But that resulted in more than a half a year of trading range between 60 and 70K. We broke out that trading range and we now have a new all-time high. I think this is the real all-time high that's much more comparable to the historical ones. Now, if we look at the historical all-time highs, what you see is that more all-time highs follow. If there's an all-time high, more follow. Also in the last bull market, when there was an all-time high to 20,000, more all-time highs follow. So I think that will be next for the couple of, 6 or what months, more all-time highs to come. Now the color in this price chart is RSI, Relative Strength Indicator. It's a technical analysis indicator. And note that I normally use months until the next halving as a color, or the state of the market, bull, bear, as a color. Right now, the color is RSI, so don't mix those two up. And RSI is an index between 100 and 0, and everything above 50 is an uptrend. Everything below 50 is a downtrend. So Bitcoin is usually above 15 in an uptrend. You can see that from the chart. And in bear markets, it's in a downtrend and it's blue. So right now, at the all-time high, the RSI is 75, orange color, 75 orange color here. And so what's interesting is that the RSI shows cycles. It shows greed and fear. It shows overbought, oversold. It shows bull and bear in colors, right? It is red, blue, it goes to red, it goes to blue. It bounces between the extreme numbers. And right now we are coming from a bear market, blue, going towards a bull market of red.
November 2024 marked a record-breaking milestone for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETF, with net inflows surpassing $6.3 billion. This surge reflects renewed confidence in the cryptocurrency market and growing institutional and retail interest. The remarkable performance coincided with Bitcoin's price rally, which saw the leading cryptocurrency climb from $67,000 to $99,000, representing a 45% increase in value over the month. Favorable market conditions, including President-elect Donald Trump's pro-crypto stance and strategic government appointments, further fueled demand for Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF led the charge, capturing $5.6 billion in inflows, which accounted for 87% of the monthly total. Other notable contributors included Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, Grayscale's Bitcoin Mini Trust ETF, and the VanEck Bitcoin ETF, collectively underscoring the growing acceptance of these financial products. Bitcoin ETF ended November with total net assets rising from $69.64 billion to $105.28 billion, a 77% increase. Despite some outflows, the inflows significantly bolstered liquidity, solidifying Bitcoin ETF as mainstream investment vehicles. With Bitcoin approaching the $100,000 mark, bullish sentiment suggests this record performance may be a prelude to even greater milestones in the near future.
And in my opinion, red is next for the next couple of months. Means an RSI of 80 or more. And it will be much like 2021, 2017, and 2013. And you can look at the RSI also as as the steepness of the slope of this price line. So if it's very steep up, it's red, and when it's steep down, it's blue. So I expect the rate of change, so that the monthly return, to increase, and that's exactly what that very high RSI, the red dots, the RSI of 80 plus is. Now, what's also interesting, if you look at the last bull market, the first orange dot was here at 20,000, and then it went all the way to 60,000. So that's a 3x. Same in 2017. The orange dots are here, just above 1,000, and the bull market went way above it. All the red dots brought the Bitcoin price way above 10,000. That was a 10x. So 10x, 3x would be very interesting to see that happening next year. And that range, 3x from here would be 300,000 and 10x would be 1 million, which coincidentally is the range of the stock to flow. So it's very consistent. Very interesting times ahead.
The U.S. government recently transferred $1.9 billion worth of Bitcoin, seized from the infamous Silk Road case, to a Coinbase Prime wallet. Blockchain records from Arkham Intelligence reveal that on December 2, a wallet associated with the government moved approximately 19,800 Bitcoin, originally confiscated during a 2021 investigation into James Zhang's fraudulent activities. This transfer has raised questions about the government's intentions, with speculation ranging from potential sales to strategic reserve discussions. The Department of Justice had previously announced the seizure of over 50,000 Bitcoin from Zhang, including coins stored in unconventional locations like a single-board computer hidden in a popcorn tin. While some argue the move suggests liquidation plans, others, including blockchain analysts, believe it could be related to wallet consolidations or infrastructure upgrades. The broader Bitcoin ecosystem has seen increased institutional interest alongside these developments. November witnessed $6.4 billion in Bitcoin ETF inflows, led by BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, indicating strong investor confidence. Meanwhile, corporate players like Marathon Digital and MicroStrategy have significantly bolstered their holdings. Marathon invested $600 million in Bitcoin over 2 months, while MicroStrategy added 15,400 BTC in a single week, cementing its status as the largest corporate Bitcoin holder. Despite the strategic discussions around Bitcoin reserves, the government's moves underscore the complexity of managing and interpreting digital assets. As the market continues to evolve, these actions signal the increasing prominence of Bitcoin in national and institutional strategies. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Seller. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.